Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily open split screen on the Google Pixel 10. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open two of the apps that you want to split. So for me, it will be Play Store and then the Chrome. So as you guys can see, now what we can do is we can open up the app drawer right here and then click on the Chrome right here on the arrow, click on the split screen and select another app to use the split screen. So as you guys can see, right up top we have the Chrome and right here we have the Google Play Store. So this is how you guys can easily do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.